Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Can't shift gears? A guide to diagnosing gear problems. Not being able to shift gears in your vehicle can be a frustrating issue that impacts your driving experience and safety. When facing this problem, it's crucial to address it promptly to ensure your vehicle functions properly. In this video, we will delve into the common reasons why you may encounter difficulties changing gears and provide guidance on how to inspect and potentially resolve this issue. Stay tuned to unravel the mysteries behind gear shifting problems and learn how to tackle them effectively. Understanding gear shifting issues. When it comes to your vehicle, encountering gear shifting problems can be a frustrating experience. Understanding the signs of these issues and the common causes behind them can help you address the problem promptly. Signs of gear shifting problems. 1. Grinding noise. If you hear a grinding noise when trying to shift gears, it could indicate a problem with the transmission system. 2. Difficulty shifting gears. You might notice resistance or difficulty when trying to shift gears, which can be a clear sign of gearbox issues. 3. Slipping gears. Gears slipping out of place or shifting on their own while driving is a significant indication of potential gear shifting problems. 4. Delayed response. A delay in gear engagement after shifting can point to underlying issues that need attention. 5. Gear stick vibrations. Unusual vibrations or jerking movements when shifting gears can signal transmission trouble. Common causes of gear shifting difficulties. 1. Low transmission fluid. Insufficient transmission fluid levels can impede smooth gear shifts and lead to various transmission issues. 2. Worn clutch. A worn out or damaged clutch can result in difficulties shifting gears, causing grinding sounds or gear slippage. 3. Faulty synchronizers. Synchronizers help match the gear speed with the engine speed. If these components are faulty, it can lead to gear shifting problems. 4. Clutch linkage issues. Problems with the clutch linkage, such as misadjustment or damage, can affect the gear shifting mechanism. 5. Transmission damage. Internal transmission damage, such as worn gears or bearings, can cause erratic gear shifting behavior. By recognizing these signs and causes of gear shifting difficulties, you can take proactive steps to address potential issues with your vehicle's transmission system. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can help ensure smooth and reliable gear shifts, enhancing your driving experience and prolonging the lifespan of your vehicle. Diagnosing gear shifting problems. Gear shifting issues can be frustrating, but diagnosing them correctly is the first step toward resolving the problem. To begin diagnosing gear shifting problems, you will need the following tools for inspection. Tools needed for inspection. 1. Flashlight. A flashlight will help you see clearly into the gearbox and other components. 2. Jack and jack stands. These tools are essential for safely lifting and supporting your vehicle. 3. Wrench set. A set of wrenches will be necessary for accessing certain parts of the transmission system. 4. Screwdriver set. Different types and sizes of screwdrivers will be helpful for disassembling components if needed. 5. Safety gloves and goggles. Protect yourself with gloves and goggles to prevent any injuries during the inspection. Steps to check gear shifting functionality. 1. Inspect the gear lever. Start by visually checking the gear lever for any visible damage or obstructions. Ensure it moves smoothly between gears. 2. Check transmission fluid. Low or dirty transmission fluid can cause shifting problems. Check the fluid level and quality according to the manufacturer's recommendations. 3. Examine linkage and cables. Inspect the linkage and cables connected to the transmission for any signs of wear, rust, or misalignment. Tighten or replace any components as needed. 4. Test drive the vehicle. Take the vehicle for a test drive to observe how it shifts between gears. Note any delays, grinding noises, or difficulty in shifting. 5. Scan for error codes. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for any error codes related to the transmission system. These codes can provide valuable insights into the underlying issue. By following these steps and using the necessary tools, you can effectively diagnose gear shifting problems in your vehicle. Identifying the root cause of the issue is crucial for implementing the right solution and ensuring the smooth operation of your transmission system. Professional inspection. When facing issues with changing gears in your vehicle, seeking professional help is crucial to ensure your safety on the road and the longevity of your vehicle. Knowing when to seek professional help and what to expect during a professional inspection can provide you with the necessary information to address the problem effectively. When to seek professional help. If you notice any irregularities in your vehicle's gear shifting, such as grinding noises, difficulty getting into gear, slippage, or hesitation when changing gears, it is advisable to seek professional help promptly. Ignoring these signs can lead to more severe mechanical issues and potentially compromise your safety while driving. What to expect during a professional inspection? During a professional inspection for gear shifting problems, a certified mechanic will conduct a thorough assessment of your vehicle's transmission system. This inspection may involve checking the transmission fluid levels, examining the clutch system, inspecting the gear synchronizers, and evaluating the overall condition of the gearbox. Additionally, the mechanic may perform a road test to observe the gear shifting behavior firsthand. This test will help pinpoint the specific issues affecting your vehicle's ability to change gears smoothly. Based on the inspection findings, the mechanic will provide you with a detailed diagnosis and recommended solutions to address the gear shifting issues effectively. Seeking professional help and understanding what to expect during a professional inspection are essential steps in resolving gear shifting problems and maintaining the optimal performance of your vehicle. By entrusting your vehicle to experienced professionals, you can ensure that any issues are identified and rectified promptly, allowing you to drive safely and with peace of mind. Thanks for watching part 1 of our guide to diagnosing gear problems. We've covered some common issues that might be causing your gear shifting troubles. In part 2, we'll continue our exploration, looking into more advanced problems and solutions. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.